We're getting ready today to go out for a ride out to the Moose Lodge in Harvard, Illinois. They got a fundraising charity event they have happening, and that's one of the reasons we love riding. We love riding with our friends, we love riding with people at church, we just love riding. But at times, it feels so good when you ride for a purpose. It is gorgeous out here. I'm hoping the camera's capturing this. Gorgeous day today. So Mark and I are heading out to do something we love doing with our bikes. Everyone goes big road trips. But one of the things I love doing when we're going out riding is to also ride with a purpose. I know it sounds deep, right? It's like, oh my gosh, you know, theological, mythological, hermeneutical, L.A.M.A, whatever. But the truth is that if you own your bike and you love your bike, there are so many great charities out there to where you can actually use your motorcycle, your Harley, your Indian, your quad track, whatever it is, but use your bike to ride for a purpose, to ride with purpose. So that's what we're doing right now. We're heading out, and we're gonna go ahead and show you later in the video what this charity is, but Mark and I are riding with a purpose. If this is your first time to the channel, thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe, share, hit that like button. It really helps support us create content for you guys in what we love doing, which is riding our motorcycles. So be sure to subscribe.
What's up?
Oh, I thought you were stopping me.
No. I'm recording. Got YouTube. We're just lining up around there, so.
All right.
So we got here a little early, but you can already see all the bikes lining up over there. And it still has another 45 minutes before, no, actually an hour before kickstands up. That's a beautiful sight right there. My daughter is going to sleep. I feel like food. Tired. Do you have a name?
Rascal.
Rascal?
Rascal.
Rascal.
Yeah, she's about 4 months old.
All right, I'm over here with one of my good friends, Louise, and he's with the
Latin American Motorcycle Association.
which chapter?
Rockford.
Rockford, and then we have
White Wall.
is it the beard? White Wall. Okay.
I'm just Caesar.
Just Caesar.
I'm La Guzman and Jackie.
And Ivan, we're
We're
from
with
Belgium.
Elgin.
Yep.
You're Elgin. That's awesome. So why are you guys participating in this? What is this fundraiser? What are you guys doing?
So, I mean, most of us, if not all of us, you know, support kids, love kids, and what this charity does to provide not just financial aid, but
Physical.
you know,
Something physical.
Legos for these kids to play with while they're in the hospital is just amazing. You know, so it's, you got to get behind that every time.
That's awesome. No, this is Llama's first time doing this one. This is the third annual, right?
Right.
This is the first one.
I've attended all three.
You've attended all three. That's awesome.
Yeah, we've been there all the time.
Now you guys always do these types of.
We do, Llama in whole, we do a lot of fundraiser, a lot of charity events. We're always looking to give back to the community.
That's outstanding. That is awesome. So I gotta ask, what are you riding?
Today I'm riding my 2014 Street Glide.
Mendito que today. I got one. He got get today. He's got a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What you got, bud?
I got a 16 Heritage Softail.
Remember, he was actually in one of my videos where we were actually showing off his new ride. What you got, son?
I have a 2001 Suzuki Volusia, but that doesn't mean, as long as you ride, you can ride whatever you want.
God bless you. That's what I'm talking
All
about.
right, we're all about riding. Doesn't matter if it's 2 wheels or 3. Doesn't matter the model, the make. As long as you're 650 cc's or bigger. I'm motor touring officer, so we have to get nitty gritty.
Oh, yeah.
I'm in a 2020 Softail Standard.
So you ride.
Of course.
Oh, yeah. That's awesome.
I ride a 21 Softail.
I got a 21 Street Bob.
A street bob.
Yeah.
Bro, I was gonna freak out. I was like, yeah, I ride behind her. No.
I want to point something out.
Please.
When she said motor touring, look at the difference. Their patch. See? Their patch, zoom in on the patch. There are damas, we ride our own. So if you see one of the ladies with this patch, which is different from what the men wear, they ride their own.
That is so cool. Man, thank you guys for taking the time out for this.
Thank you.
We're gonna go to check out more, and if you guys want, I'm gonna put on the comment more about it, how you can donate and that. But this is why we ride. This is why we go on the bikes. Find purpose in your 2 wheels. Next shot. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and talk to the guy who's behind the whole event. He's gonna tell us all about it, who you are, and what do you do.
My name is Adam. I am the founder of Bricks of Hope, and this is our Ride for Kids. This is our 3rd annual Ride for Kids. We had over 220 motorcycles out here riding for sick kids. Our mission is very simple, to build hope and create play for sick kids during their hospital stays by giving Lego to them. Gifting the simple toy of a new Lego set is what we're all about, just to provide joy, to bring smiles to kids' faces during some of their toughest days. So here we are at our biggest event.
Yes.
We got probably over 300 people here right now.
So yeah, this is the 3rd annual,
This
right?
is the 3rd annual.
So how many bikers do you have on the first one?
We had 75 bikers on the first one. We have over 220 right now that were out there taking the ride through McHenry County.
That was awesome. That was awesome,
Very
dude.
cool.
I had a blast.
Very
with
cool.
that. Now, outside of the rides and these types of fundraisers, is there a website or something that maybe if anyone who's watching, you guys want to go ahead and learn more about or donate to?
Yeah.
Is there a website to that?
Bricksofhope.org. Bricksofhope.org is our website. You can donate. We deliver year-round. So January through December, we are delivering new Lego sets just to kids at every children's hospital throughout the greater Chicago area, including Rockford, Springfield, Peoria, and Champaign. But year-round, yeah. You know, for us, the tagline I throw out at people is that treatment isn't seasonal, so we can't be either. So
Amen.
as long as kids are in the hospital, we need to exist, and we need to deliver Lego sets to them. So
That's awesome.
yeah, donate, whether it be a new Lego set or it be $20 just to build hope in a sick kid. It's really that easy.
That's awesome. So I'll go ahead and put the link on the comments below. Remember, find purpose in your ride. This is one of them. It goes to a great cause. Let's go check out some of the stuff. There it is. Bricks of Hope. Just finish up the day with this, and this has been an amazing time. Met a bunch of great people, a lot of laughing and stories and friendships being built. I can't wait to see these guys again. Find something to ride for. Find purpose in your ride, all right? If this is your first time to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Share, like, and hit that bell. Hope to see you guys soon. Well, you're gonna see me, but hope that you guys go ahead and tune into the next video. We got some ideas in place, some things that came to mind after doing this, but that's for a later date. God bless you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.